Welcome to KnowSphere, where we explain big space topics in just 60 seconds. On April 1st, 2026, NASA launched Artemis II, the first crewed mission to the moon in over 50 years. This launch didn't just mark a return to the moon after half a century. It's about building the future of human presence beyond Earth. The core of this mission is the 4 astronauts flying a 10-day journey around the moon. The crew of Reid, Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina, Koch, and Jeremy Hansen is testing the limits of deep space travel. This mission is groundbreaking for its diversity, including the first woman, first person of color, and first non-US citizen on a lunar mission. The primary objective is rigorous testing of the Orion spacecraft's life support and navigation systems, ensuring they are ready for longer missions. Why all this effort? Because NASA's long-term plan is to build a permanent lunar base. The moon will serve as a crucial training ground and refueling station, making future missions to Mars and beyond possible. So what's the takeaway? Artemis II is much more than just a trip around the moon. It's humanity's first concrete step toward living and working permanently beyond Earth. The moon is transforming from a distant satellite into our very own gateway to the stars. Follow KnowSphere for more space explained in 60 seconds.